बे गेलेनायजों जेबो जाया सार गेलेनाय नङा What kind of exercise are you doing nowadays? बे गेलेनायजों जेबो जाया सार गेलेनाय नङा खारनाय मेन थिंआनो
खारनायाबो खारदोंमोन आगोलाव बिराद मोजां मोनो
खारनाया नोंनि थाखाय बिराद मा होनो फुङाव नोङो एटलिस्ट ओमफ्राय नों जानायखौ बिराद कन्ट्रल खालामनांगोन सार नों एक्चुअली आं नोंनि ब्रेकफास्टनि सोमोन्दै नों फुंनिफ्राय स्टार्टिं खालामजेननायनिफ्राय बिसनानिफ्राय सिखारनायनिफ्राय नों मा जाग्रोयो फार्स्ट नों जेनेबा नोंना ब्रेकफास्ट आइटेम्सफ्रा मा जायो
Actually, can't say. I eat very simple food as breakfast.
Okay.
Sometimes early in the morning,
Okay.
when I get up from the bed, I take a banana, and sometimes my missus prepared some Maggies for me.
Yeah.
And nothing else.
Nothing else, right? But no matter what happens, sir, you should not have banana because it happens very, positive react on your health. So that's why you should not have banana early in the morning. You just come this side, sir. Why are you hiding your face, please?
I can't give you much time today because I've been so sluggish.
Always you say,
Yes,
always you say like that.
I visited to my meeting that they gathered around the Mondale temple,
Okay. Yeah, I know.
So I don't want to talk to you much. Before I said, I just said
Yeah.
I can't talk to you much because I'm very, very tired.
No, I don't want so much time from you, sir.
No.
I just wanted to ask you one little question only, sir.
No.
My little question is that, sir, may I ask you right now, sir? May I, sir? Is it all right, please?
On the other day you come, okay?
Only one question
today I don't have much
is
time.
enough for me, sir.
Because I've just said, the same thing. I'm still telling you the
So,
right thing.
ladies and gentlemen, so let me introduce my none other than one and only my Guruji. Namaste, Guruji. Where are you going, sir?
This is my center. So I don't allow anybody to discuss any topics and making like this kind of videos in front of my
I'm not going to make
medical store.
some unnecessary type of videos. I'm not going to do this, sir. I just wanted to ask you one
Anyway, what kind
single
of maybe
questions
the videos,
only.
What maybe you do the videos, but today, and anytime I don't want to allow anybody to make this kind of videos in front of or inside my medical store.
Okay, sir. But
That's my problem. You don't
come,
mind,
sir.
okay?
I'll don't mind. You just come this side and let's take a picture together, sir.
I'm very restricted.
Let's take a picture
I'm
only.
very much restricted on this occasion.
Okay. I can understand your feeling. Sir. I can understand your feeling, but still, I think I wasn't expect like that you will do like you won't give me any answer of my questions. I wasn't expect like
I
that.
could do this when we visit somewhere in very, very beautiful places,
Yeah.
And that time I will give you much time waiting. Okay, whatever it may be.